YouTube.
Hi, this is Chaz Fox, and this is a series of videos on e-commerce. And today we're going to talk about inventory. Our series includes marketing, product, and fulfillment. And inventory obviously is in the product category, and that's what we're going to hit today. In business school, you learn about inventory turnover ratio, and that's become a very interesting measurement. In fact, Jeff Bezos uses that as a primary measurement of success in Amazon. What is inventory turnover ratio? Well, you want to have enough inventory to sell to your customers, but you don't want to have too much that you're sitting on it. You're sitting on a lot of inventory because that's cash, and that's a bad use of cash just to be sitting there. So inventory turnover ratio is a measurement of that, and you want it as high as you can get it. So a high number is good. So the measurement is created by the cost of the goods sold during a given period of time and the average inventory that you have during that period of time. So if you sold 1.2 million in sales during a given period and you had 600,000 in cost of goods and an inventory average of 300,000, your turnover ratio is 2. It's not an uncommon number for many retail businesses. If you sold $1.2 million in a given period of time with the same cost of goods, but you only had an inventory of 100,000, that's a 6. That's a lot better number. The value of this company is a lot more than the value of this company. And the way they do that is by getting inventory in and out, in and out, in and out, throughput. If you had a 1.2 million in revenue and 600,000 in cost of goods and only 25,000 in average inventory, you'd have a turnover ratio of 24. That seems like almost impossible. That is exactly what Amazon's inventory turnover ratio is. So getting throughput into your system and getting the right amounts of throughput into your system is key, and should always be measuring your turnover ratio.